Hey guys, Squint here. Today we have a lock for Stock Lock Sunday. It is a Avis Marine that I can't seem to get the dang key in. I think one of the pins is hung up. There we go. So you guys can see it's an Avis Marine 75 IB50. It's a beautiful little lock. Very heavy duty. There's no spring tension on the core. It's key retaining. You can't turn it or pull the key out without the shackle being in. We're going to see if we can get this thing picked open. I have not picked this lock yet. There's the key bitting on it. Should be 6 pins. You're not looking at these pins over here. They're right here on this side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing open. I've really not seen too many videos on these being picked. They are pretty difficult. You got to control the core a whole bunch on these, so we're going to go in and see if we can get this one done. A little bit of binding there. I'm trying to get underneath these pins. Okay, there we go. Alright, got a little turn there, so I think I'm getting the first parts of the spools that are in there just by touching them with the pick. Alright, we got a big binder here on 6. Trying to get the pick set correctly. Let's go ahead and got a little click there. Feels like 3. Okay, got a little click there. Feels like we might have dropped 6 because it's back down. Okay, a little click there. I don't know if you guys can hear those little bitty clicks. Okay, we're up on, it feels like, number 1. Okay, a little click there. This feels like number 3 again. Trying to get the right angle on it. Okay, there it is. Okay, a little click there. Okay, feels like number 2. There it is. Nice. Man. Oh man, oh man, oh man. That's the first time I've ever picked that lock, guys. Real subtle. But there you go. There's no way to take these apart. It felt like this one has maybe 4 spools in it. You gotta find the right tension wrench to be able to work those spools back. But yeah, that was an Avis 75 IB50. 75 IB50. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool little lock. Alright guys, remember, if it's not your lock, don't be sticking a pick in it. And please like, subscribe, hit that little bell for notification icon, and let me know if you guys have any questions about these little locks. That was picked. I did that with a Spp'd. It's their WR, so it's got a real heavy, curve on the flag there. So, but yeah, that was an Avis 75 IB50. All right, guys, this is Squint, and I will be on to the next lock.